Go look and see what it is.
Oh my God.
Can you believe it? He dropped one.
I'll just see what it is. I'll just see what it is.
What is it?
What did you see?
Why did he drop those? What is that? And what is that?
Cigarette.
No, it's not cigarettes. Look at it close. And look, I think there's a note to go with it on the inside of the fireplace.
What is it? What is it?
What does it say?
I don't know what it says.
What is that?
For me.
Huh?
For me.
For you? What are they?
Look, it seems to drop this.
Well, what is it?
Cigarette.
They're not cigarettes.
How can
Let me read the note and see what it says. It says, wait, move back down here so you can look at that. Look at that package. It says, Alexa, the rest of this gift is at your Mimi and Pawpaw. You know what that says on it? Rawhide chew bones.
Ew.
Why did he leave you chew bones? And the rest of this gift is at Mimi and Pawpaw's.
Hey, we can get this for too.
What do you think it is?
Bones.
But why?
I don't know.
Well, come here and talk to me. Come show me again what that is.
Bones.
I know, but I need a picture. Come show me. Do you think we ought to go to Mimi and Papa's and find out what the rest of it is?
I know.
You don't?
I don't want to eat them.
They're not for you, I bet.
Mama.
Okay, let's go to Mimi and Papa's and check it out. I think Santa got you to go with those chew bones. Huh? Look at me. Think, what would have a chew bone?
Enter a game code.
Alexa. Hey. Hey. What would use a chew bone? Would it be a cow?
Yeah.
No. Wait, I want us to figure out the clue. What would Santa give you with those chew bones? What do you think he gave you? That's at Mimi. He left it at Mimi and Papa's.
Mama,
In the fence. No. And I think, oh my goodness, the note says the surprise is black and white.
a new kitty.
Kitties wouldn't chew dog bones. A new
Cow. I don't know.
What would chew those bones? Huh? Alexa.
I don't know.
If they're dog bones, what do you think he brought?
Dog.
Do you think he brought you a new puppy? Do you want to go see? Huh? You do? You better grab those dog bones if we're going to take it over there. There they are. They're over there. They're in the floor.
Okay, no.
Okay. You don't want to go check out your surprise? Look at Mama. Look up at me.